Biryani is a flavorful and aromatic rice dish, often prepared with meat such as chicken, mutton, or beef or vegetables. It's cooked with fragrant Basmati rice and a blend of spices, making it a beloved dish in many countries, especially in South Asia. Basic biryani recipe. Instructions: cook the rice. Wash the Basmati rice thoroughly. In a large pot, boil 4 cups of water with a pinch of salt, a few whole spices, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and bay leaves. Add rice and cook it until 70% done, still firm. Drain and set aside. Prepare the meat. Vegetables. Heat ghee or oil in a pan and saute onions until golden brown. Remove half of them for garnishing. Add ginger garlic paste, green chilies, and saute for a minute. Add chopped tomatoes and cook until soft. Add the meat or vegetables, biryani masala, and cook until they are browned or cooked through. Add yogurt, salt, lemon juice, and cook on low heat until the oil separates from the gravy. Layering. In a large pot, spread half of the cooked rice. Layer the cooked meat, vegetables on top. Add the remaining rice on top of the meat of vegetables. Garnish with fried onions, coriander, and mint leaves. Drizzle a little ghee over the top. Done cooking, cover the pot with a tight lid or seal with dough to trap the steam. Cook on low heat dum for 20 to 30 minutes. Alternatively, you can place the pot on a griddle or tawa to prevent direct flame contact. Serve. Gently fluff the biryani before serving. Enjoy with raita, salad, or a boiled egg.
Types of biryani. Hyderabadi biryani, known for its unique dum cooking method. It is made with marinated meat, and the rice is cooked along with it on low heat. The 2 main styles are kaki raw meat and rice cooked together, and paki cooked meat layered with cooked rice. Lucknowi Awadi biryani. This style has less use of yogurt and is typically cooked in a slow and traditional method. It's milder than Hyderabadi biryani and focuses on subtle flavors of meat and rice. Kolkata biryani. Influenced by Awadi biryani, it includes boiled potatoes along with the meat. It's usually a bit lighter and less spicy than other regional biryanis. Malabar biryani. Originating from the Malabar region in Kerala, it's known for its use of short grain rice kuthari rice, along with spicy marinated meat and coconut oil, which imparts a distinct flavor. Sindhi biryani. A spicier variant from Pakistan, Sindhi biryani is known for its heat and the use of green chilies. It often contains yogurt, tomatoes, and a wide variety of spices. Memoni biryani. Another Pakistani version, originating from the Memon community, it features a blend of spicy and tangy flavors and is usually made with goat meat. Bombay biryani. Influenced by the coastal city's diverse flavors, it tends to be slightly sweet and incorporates dried fruits like raisins and cashews. It's generally made with chicken or mutton. Vegetable biryani. A popular vegetarian variant where seasonal vegetables and sometimes paneer are used. It's cooked with the same spices but without any meat. Each type of biryani has its own unique flavor, method of preparation, and regional influence, but all share the signature aroma and richness that make biryani so beloved worldwide. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Let me know your thoughts or if you have any questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay awesome and take care.